Good morning, everyone. My name is Anne-Marie Van. Today is Thursday, December the 15th, and this is the Moneyball Morning Report for the Benzinga Pro platform. What we are looking at right now is the ES. It holds live on the TrendSpotter charts, which I really love here. And we have industrial, let's see what that is, Industrial Production Index. We had Philly Fed come out, terrible number. At 8:30, we had a slurry of things that just looked absolutely horrible. We've given all of the stuff back. Now we've got a new ledge of information sort of filtering through, and it looks maybe like it's a non-event. But here's the thing. Traders are going to want to try and hold the open of this weekly candlestick, right? So that's going to be our floor. If we decide we're going to take a trade long here, we have clear risk sitting in the space. My thought is, I'm giving it just a couple of minutes, let it shake out the news and find where the charts are settling in. My suspicion is they're going to try and push it, right? Wick. They're going to try and push it, but this is the line they want to hold. They want to hold this 39.70, 39.68 line, right? So you're going to see a lot of battling. You're watching them battle. Now, let's go all the way to the 65-minute to see if there's any heat map showing up for us. Yes, indeed. We just lost that edge and notice the battle to lose the edge. So it's my suspicion that we do a bit of fading before we bounce, and that's okay, right? If I am wrong, I'm going to breach the 76 area, which is also the known area that I'm looking for. And so that 76 area is going to be the zone that tells me, hey, I'm up above here, you better watch out, because if I keep holding this, I'm going to move to the north. All right, and that really is what we're doing. Notice the 65-minute candlestick is holding the baseline, but my thought is it's going to give way and head further to the south because the big traders are actually looking for the test of these edges of frontline congestion. They're trying to press on them. They're going to press on them. If I take a trade short out of this 39.87, I want to press down into 39.60. That's where I want to press down. And that's where the first target for the buyers are going to sit today. I know that's a little long-winded, but I want to give you mechanical flow, how I look at the market when I'm ready to trade something like a news event. All right. Sometimes it leaves me in the dust. Sometimes it's absolutely fabulous. Let's take a look at SPY. SPY is actually sitting right down here. This is yesterday. So we've got a gap down into this area. Notice everybody buying, everybody holding. That's the region they're going to want to support, right? Live price action right now gives us, let's do it, 393. Prior week's close, somewhere around that area. Take a look at the Qs. They look a little tough. I mean, they're really challenging their prior week close. So let's go back over there and see what we've got. Listen, if you want to take a trade long right here, all you have to do is decide what your risk is going to be, and you're going to be in great shape. It is all about defining your exposure to risk. So if you say, hey, I'm going long here, and what I'm going to do is I anticipate all these buyers are going to show up, and I'm going to move to the top of the congestion line, and then I'm going to reestablish what it is that I'm looking for. Notice the shading. We are sitting inside last month, inside last week. Those things are very, very important. It means the traders are still deciding what to do, and you've got to take that into consideration. Let's go to the Qs, see where this noisy patch is coming in. Take a look right down here, folks. Like clockwork, it's going to start to battle and see what's going on. When it comes into the space, then you make a decision to move with risk established. All right? It's all about the definition of risk, folks. Focus on it, see where your stops are going to be, and obey them. The reason most traders fail is they don't hold themselves personally accountable to their own decisions, right? If we move unchecked through an environment, we will make bad decisions consistently. We can just ask Sam Bankman-Fried about that, or whatever his name is. I don't know what his name is. It's Sam, and he's trying to channel his Einstein. But hopefully the rubber meets the road there for him, and we can see some sort of, whatever going on right there in terms of justice. But there we are, sitting in the space. You got to be very, very attuned. Stay frosty. It's quadruple witching on Friday. Tomorrow, big, big, big day. Going to be very noisy. Paper trade if you don't have to trade, folks. Don't put yourself at risk when you don't need to. Take care. I'll see you tomorrow.